Alright guys, so disclaimer numero uno, this is the opening day video of the 2024 mowing season. We're happy to be back, we're absolutely killing it. Unfortunately it's raining right now, but I wanted to make this little disclaimer because I got a few comments on my TikTok about the lines aren't as crisp as they usually are, the stripes aren't as crisp as they usually are as last year's videos and other things that we've done in the past. And don't worry guys, it is the first cut of the season. There's a reason for it, two reasons. Number one, the most important one is the first cut of the season is always the hardest. No matter which year it is, no matter how long you've been in this industry, no matter how long you've been doing it, it is always going to be the hardest because you are setting your stripes for the year. And number two, for me personally, why mine in the one clip isn't as straight is simply because I am not currently used to the stand-on mower yet. I haven't really ran a stand-on mower much in my career. In my 8 years that I've been doing this, I just have not been able to get my hands on these kinds of mowers, so I'm still getting used to the feeling of the mower, the bouncing of the mower, and the controls of the mower because it's a lot closer when it comes to your hands. So that's the reason. The lines will be crisp. Don't worry, boys and girls, it will be perfectly fine, I promise you. Let's get into the video. What's crackalackin', boys and girls? We are back, JWD Landscaping here. It is so good to be alive. Dude, what is going on with my hair? Well look, we have the scag now going. Look at him. We got it going. We are finally back mowing. This is our first day back. We are finally doing our wedding venue field that has been shown many times on this channel. We're kind of just doing a test run with the mower. We're laying some stripes, but we're still just getting used to it, man. It's a lot of fun. You know, we'll get some content here and there with the new mower, as well as that. It's beautiful. That's actually going to do this. That's a 60-inch, so we're going to use that one instead of the new mower, which is a 52. Rick's kind of, you know, there it comes. Look at him in all his fucking glory. Oh, look at him. Laying stripes. Oh my God, look at this man. That's a great sound. That's a great sound right there. That's a great sound, Richard. That's a great sound. That's a great sound, hearing the blades spinning. You know?
Oh, dude.
It's gorgeous.
Bro, even going up a hill, like, you just gotta lean a little one way, like.
It stabilizes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And like, it doesn't feel like you're gonna fall or anything.
The only thing that I noticed at UNS, which is another place that we do, which is a lot, like the whole thing is on a hill, like straight up the whole property is a hill. The only thing I felt was like, it was me, not the machine.
Yeah.
So like my body had to adjust to like the movement and it like feeling like you're gonna fall, but you're not gonna fall because the machine's actually stable. So we're gonna get some content here. We're finally back running the new mower. This boy's still gonna be our workhorse though. The 60-inch Kubota. That's gonna be doing all this field like I mentioned, but we're gonna go and do the rest of the property, which is up through those trees, and we'll get some content on that. So let's get to it. After hard days of work, this is the best way to end the day. You got the Richard drinking that. What is that?
Colorado Kool-Aid, baby.
Yes, sir. What a good day. First day back mowing and blowing. Well, it was a good first day back.
I can't wait to go home with those.
Many more to come.
Many more.
Let's get it, Richard.
Yes, sir.